Y'all probably can't hear me, but it's snowing outside, so I live in Kentucky and it's like snowing a lot. So y'all probably can't hear me though. I'll be right back. Hold on. Oh, dude, I just saw somebody slip. Their car just went like. There's no alarming in here. I wish I had a light. But yeah, this dude was in a Jeep and he just completely like slid like that. He almost just got in a wreck. It was crazy. I'll show y'all. Okay. Look how snowed out it is out here. I'm gonna open the window and be like this. Bro. It's so snowed out here. There's that Jeep again. He's right there. Probably couldn't see him, but he slipped away. Yeah, here's me. But it's so snowed out. Oh my god. That was fun. I'll catch y'all guys in another video. Ooh, it's cold out there. Just a little bit of back for you.